I've never seen a fish do this before. Fishing always brings surprises, but this one was wild. I hooked a largemouth bass, and as I landed it, the fish suddenly coughed up a mouse. I couldn't believe my eyes. At first I thought it was just weeds or some bait that the fish had eaten. But no, it was a whole mouse. The base had literally swallowed the mouse whole. These fish are serious predators and will eat anything they can fit in their mouth. A small mouse like this is probably easy prey for a big bass. And that's what makes fishing so unpredictable. You never know what you're gonna reel in or what it's been eating. This was a truly unbelievable fishing story, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to follow Catch and Tell for more. We have new videos every day.